Fox body to take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics 1983 Ford Mustang. This particular car, as you can see, T-top car. Don't see a lot of those in 83s. We do have a T-top car here. Done up for that drag look. Drag style components, engine on this. Now, as you can see, aftermarket hood. Got a cowl hood on there, flat black paint. Said it's an 83, but take a look at the nose cone. A little later model year nose cone there also. Underneath the hood, information from the previous owner, 347 stroker. Does have a scat stroker kit, B303 cam. That is paired up with a Tremec 5-speed with performance shift synchros in it. Power brakes. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, check out the underside interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, we can be called at 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down the passenger side. I should tell you some of the more recent service work that was done to this. Does have a newer fuel pump and regulator. 650 quick fuel carb. Also has headers, stage 2 clutch, lightweight flywheel. New upper and lower control arms, new rear shocks, aluminum radiator. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A little different style 3-piece wing by the way it looks back here, and the rear hatch added. Also, in the trunk pictures of the hatch, you're going to see some miscellaneous trim pieces and some extra glass for T-tops. Are also in the still pictures, which can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and you'll be able to look in the trunk pictures or with the hatch open and see the miscellaneous parts that will go along with this. Go ahead and take a peek up and down the driver's side. And again, 83 Mustang T-top car, built up for that drag look. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up, let you hear it run. We'll pop the hood, let you check out that engine bay. Appears to be pretty much original interior. Did play around with the gauges a little bit. The gauges on the A-pillar are working. Wipers do work. Radio has been removed, so there's no radio blower fan for the heat, and defrost was also working. Situate here. There we go. Starts easily, and yes, this dash pad is on for a reason. There are cracks. I have that taken off in the still pictures. You'll be able to see them talking about holes where the speakers are and the dash is cracked, so make note of that. A-pillar gauges, so we have volts, oil pressure, and temperature all working. Notice some of those miscellaneous trim pieces will be for the roof area, FYI. Rumble coming out of that 347 stroker. That 303 cam in there. All right, I'm going to pause this a second, and let's pop this hood so you can check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, first off, hood open here, prop rod. That will stay here, not included. FYI, when I do videos and pictures, hang on to that one. So there you go, 347 stroker, 650 carb on it, aluminum radiator, electric fan. As you paired up with a Tremec 5-speed. And again, that B303 cam and a scat stroker kit. 1983 Ford Mustang T-top hatchback. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call entering